Well, there goes my ride. Well, I'm gonna leave the kayak here and go look for a campsite. I think the first thing I'm going to do is explore a little bit. Well, there's plenty of wood. Looks like a coyote's been walking up and down this beach. Keep finding tons of these little skeletons. They feel really light, like they belong to a bird. Little sea urchin. It's a fish jaw. Look at all those teeth. That's the top half of a beaver jaw. Look what I just found. Those are bear paw prints right there. Not sure what kind of bear it is, but this is where I want to build my campsite. Well, I walked about 2 miles round trip down the beach looking for a spring or creek. Didn't find anything. I've got about 4 liters of water, and that's enough for today and tomorrow, but probably not enough for all 4 days. But right now, I've got to focus on building a shelter. It's getting late.